up right, hold on tight, ready for the plunge on Emperor. Goodbye.
Welcome back, riders. Please unbuckle and lift up on your safety harness quickly and carefully to your left. Thank you for riding Emperor and enjoy the rest of your day at SeaWorld.
Platform scan. Platform clear.
I don't know it.
Sit up right, hold on
Here we go.
tight,
You ready?
for the plunge on Emperor. Goodbye.
Okay. Yeah, she has. She's been in the front row almost every ride, huh? Hey.
Yeah.
You said you... Never mind.
Hey.
Oh man. That's to be random. Out of nowhere. But I'm putting my feet in this camera frame.
Oh, it's okay. Good word.
Oh, never mind. I put my feet in this camera frame, so let's go! Now. Oh no! Oh, let me laugh. I'm running around again.
During your ride, remain seated with your hands